My name is Mehak. I'm 23, so you can say you can relate with me if you guys 2021. So it's like 4 years of engineering, then a year of work, and then I started my own company. It's a social media marketing firm. It's an year-old firm. I do not have a dynamic experience like Mr. Anurag or Mr. Ishan has, but I have my own set of experiences, my own attitude, and yes, I fall in the Generation Y category. So I'll start my PPT. The topics which I got was future of marketing according to the youth tastes and preferences, and the second is teens, talk brands, and how true it is. So first of all, why youth? Why us? Why you? First is the demographics. As everyone has mentioned that India is a young country. The population under 25 years in India is 51%, and proportion under 35 is about 66%. The predominance of youth is expected to increase by 2050. I would like to say that average age in China would be, in 2050 would be 37, whereas in India, the average age would be somewhere around 29 in 2050. So these are the figures which I got from the Young Government Portal. And second is the disposable income. How many of you are working part-time, giving tuitions and all? There are. Just one. Anyway, so during my BTech, I've given a lot of tuitions, I've done a lot of social work, and from there I got my income. And then I had a good sum of disposable income apart from what my parents used to give me, which I used to shop and do spa and go everywhere. So youth has a lot of disposable income these days. They want to experiment so much. If you look at myself, if I see myself, I was an engineer, then I joined a fashion firm. Before that, I was a software tester. So many career shifts and all, but I'm still experimenting, and here I've reached where I'm very much satisfied with what I'm doing, but the learning stage has never ended. The online marketing is the new rage that everyone wants to. So many entrepreneurs are coming. Why? Because of the online marketing thing which is happening. I have so many clients, they're so young, 20, I have a client called Jalebi. So she's very young, she's a choreographer and all, and then she's opened a portal, an online portal, where she's selling all Jalebi stuff. Then there is ease of access, that a person in Chhattisgarh, he doesn't need to come all the way to India, or a person in in Delhi, he doesn't need to come all the way to Delhi to purchase something. He can simply just find it online. Then as Mr. Shan also said, youth are impulsive buyers. They want to buy, and so much of buying happens only online. The strategy of big brands is, these days, they first understand the lifestyle as to what the habits and attitudes of youth is, but I would suggest to the big brands that you need to talk to them instead of sending interns and hiring interns to giving those spreadsheets and Excels, which we keep getting online on Facebook, that please do this research for me, do this research for me. I would suggest that their managers should actually come to the field and understand what youth demands. Then is the new approach. Engagement is the current mantra. In social media, yes, engagement is. If a person is giving you a free voucher and asking you a few questions, then a person would definitely get engaged and would answer. Because even a BMW guy, even though he has a BMW or an Audi, he would, if he's getting a voucher free, maybe a Starbucks voucher free, he would like to take that. Then is direct marketing. We all understand that today the parents are obeying the children, not the children obeying the parents. So even in my case, that my mom keeps telling me, buy a regular soap, why do you need a Body Shop for that? But I would rather spend 5,000 rupees in Body Shop than buying 50 rupees for a soap. So these are some of the Facebook apps. The engagement, like I said, is the current marketing mantra. Lay's, Heineken, Windows 8, that's how they've engaged the audience online. Every PPT has to have a case study, so that is the only reason I'm boring you guys with this PPT. So it's this Lay's vote and all that. Then is this Lay's Facebook fans, that initially Lay's had somewhere less than 10 million fans, and others, Coca-Cola, Red Bull, Oreo, they had more fans, but with the Facebook app which they bought, that you have to vote the flavor and all that, the engagement increased, which you'll see. So the monthly active users of Lay's is more as compared to the other food and beverage industry. So these are some of the print ads or the social media ads which brands have done to engage the youth today. This is one of the launch campaign was done by CCD, where they actually came and they shot people that before having a cafe crunchy frappe, then having it, and then how it felt. Then later on, they asked people that you gonna send us that how you felt. So it was a very engaging campaign. Next is Zomato. Like I said, that posts are very engaging and very youth related. So Zomato has come up with this every party has. Every party has a couple, a self-proclaimed drunk, a pseudo-intellectual, the girl who wants to tell you the story of her life, the exaggerator, the foodie. So I'm sure you guys can relate with it, right? Yeah? I can relate with it too, so. And then Bollywood sells. Amul has come up with really nice campaigns. You can see Bites, and then there's this Hrithik Roshan and the other girl. Levi's is the other brand which has always got himself a cool image. Even the copies which you see on the image, I will not sit at home collecting dust. And the second one is, I am 500 miles south of normal and I'm not turning back. So it's the spirit, and it's not selling its jean like I have a good jean, this is nice, the material is nice. It's giving good copies that this is how you can, this is the feeling you'll get after wearing Levi's. That's what they mean to say. Then this was one of the campaign done by Starbucks. So like I said, that every BMW and Audi guy would like to have a voucher free. So they did this Starbucks movement where people were asked to send their pictures, the coffee mugs with the staff and all. It was a very engaging campaign on Twitter where people actually, they kept a mug and the rain was coming and they shot it. Good photographers did it and he put it on Instagram and then shared it on Twitter. That's how the campaign went. So it's like what you and me desire. This is, have you heard of Chumbak? Has any of you? So I would like to tell all the Generation X people that Chumbak is something what we like. It's creative, it's lively, a lot of colors are there, and yet it is simple. So Chumbak started its online portal 2-3 years back, and now it has a retail store in City Walk. Similar is a Play Clan brand, another similar brand. You desire something quirky and innovative. How many of you have heard of Quirkbox? I can't see any hands. Just one. Quirkbox is a Pune brand. It was started by Jayesh and Rixie. Jayesh is a painter. So it's like even a painter today is becoming an entrepreneur. The concept of Quirkbox is that the fashion is inspired by the art. So Rixie and Jayesh were the two, they were into art and then they've bought art into fashion. Then there is travel and share. We want to travel, we travel a lot. Last 2 weeks back only I went to Goa. Every time I wanted to do my bookings, I went to TripAdvisor, read the reviews, even the party. So there we were asking the locals, but all we did was went online and saw the party updates and everywhere. So TripAdvisor is the other thing. Being a foodie, like he mentioned, Zomato, no one is going to go to the market and then see. They will rather sit at home, check out the menu and then come back to the restaurant. You desire Apple. I don't know how many of you are Apple fans. Very few. But otherwise, what I see in the circle which I move, that I have a friend, he's sitting here, and he's just equipped with Apple Mac, then iPhone, and everything is just Apple, and he convinces me. He acts like a salesperson. Mac, buy a Mac. What are you doing? Buy a Mac. Then there is another threadless.com. It's a global concept where they ask youth to send the designs and we will print it everywhere. So if you send a design, even if you're not a designer, you can always send a design and then we'll print it, and once the product is sell off, we'll give you the money. So it's something which is catching up now, and a lot of Indian portals will be coming up on the similar concept. So this is one of the troll which I've got. That this is the brand, the cigar one. We sell medium waist, body hugging, good quality blue jeans. Then you's like, no, I don't want that. Then he says, we sell low waist, rugged, torn, sexy quality baggy jeans. Cool enough. Now they want to have it. So everything according to what youth says and not what brand wants to sell. These are some of the top youth brands: YouTube, Amazon, Google, and Apple. The next is the Teen Talk brands. So if you read this, I already read it for you. It's the Hum Tum comic character, and Hum is saying to Tum, "What's up, Prada?" And she's saying, "Did you just Gucci me?" So that's how the teens talk now. The brands are badges for teens. All have cell phones with 38% claiming they will upgrade to iPhone in the next 6 months. Have you done it? No? You already have one then, maybe. So if you see her, then she is not addressing the guy with name, but she's saying, check him out. He's the same Tommy guy. Could have said Raj or Rahul. But living with teenagers is scary, right? Marketing to them is worse. So if you see the trends keep changing. The guy is standing all set, patana ladki ko, with a rose and all, branded new clothes and all. But then, are you wearing the same old brand which you wore last week? So, sorry. So it's not just the brands, but their ads as well. So if you see this guy saying, dude, did you check out Alia Bhatt in the lip gloss ad? So they're not talking about the lip gloss, but they're talking about Alia Bhatt. And it's not even the girls talking about her, it's the two guys, the two dudes talking about her. So more than half, say 57% say, they cite marketing and media in their conversations compared to 48% of adults. These are some of the figures. I won't read, you can see. Thank you. I was asked to hurry up, so I'll just wind it up this way. Thank you.